Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. In city creation basically we are discussing one of the topic that is Microsoft Sand creation. Microsoft Sand creation basically we are taken one story that is of Sunil R. Nash. In that story basically we are taken the one example of Piramal Hospital basically, that is Piramal Group basically. They told that basically we will do anything basically for Sunil R. Nair basically. So then basically they told that basically then the Dubai basically which was killed planned the Sunil R. Nair basically was going to kill in Dubai basically. In that basically Piramal Group basically might be 100% involved basically. Then he told that that basically need to check basically because Supreme Court and High Court basically has taken the decision that basically Sunil R. Nair is going to killed basically with the permission of this group basically. This group has told that basically kill Sunil R. Nair basically. So this group basically are Uttar Pradesh group basically. That is few people say that Navratri also basically celebrated in
Navratri.
Uttar Pradesh basically. So that is this group basically. That is Uttar Pradesh group basically. So this group basically planned Sunil R. Nair's death basically with the help of this group. With the help of this group. With the help of no, this is just taken as an example basically. Really basically it has not taken. So see Bollywood group also basically say with the help of this group basically. See basically. See basically. See basically. School also you see basically. Then one of the person told that yeah basically. मतलब how much powerful basically, but how basically the management basically plans here basically. Management basically are dangerous planner basically. Then he told that yes here basically. That we have taken this example basically. Management university level degree basically. Yes here basically. These groups are so powerful basically. Then basically we saw few university also basically. Harvard University also basically we have taken. Which university? Harvard University re baba. Harvard University also we have taken. Yes basically. We have taken Harvard University also basically. Harvard University we also taken basically.
Navratri.
See basically.
Navratri.
That we have also taken basically. So then basically one other person told that yeah, up to this level the group basically can do basically. Then he told that basically anything is possible in this world basically. Anybody basically can become your enemy basically. Even your family member basically becomes sometime enemy basically. That means one of the person told that when you are going to kill in Dubai basically that family member also was involved basically. Then he told that yes basically your family member basically was also involved basically. Now basically, no, just taking as an example, really basically, I'm just taking one story basically that in this basically how basically sand gets involved and how basically sand will not get involved basically means the story basically of the energy basically will going to merge with sand and the story of basically sand is not going to merge with sand basically. So that story basically we are staying basically. So one of the person told that yeah that is not possible here basically. How basically the group basically you are giving the birth basically they can kill you basically. That is not possible here basically. I think you have some mistake basically here. No yeah that is not possible here basically. How basically Uttar Pradesh Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi basically can end you basically. How basically that is possible here basically. Then one of the person told that yes, this anything basically
Navratri.
is possible here basically. Anything is basically possible. Anybody can kill one person basically.
Navaratri. Navratri.
See basically anybody basically can kill you basically. And this group basically has planned basically. As well, just taking as an example basically, these groups are basically very dangerous group basically. This group basically never kills basically any of the people basically. So one of the person told that yeah, this group basically can merge with Supreme Court, High Court basically and done some thing basically and then basically might have done some plan basically. Might be possible. Just taking as an example basically in really basically they are not killed basically. This group basically for example one of the person told that यार तुझे निकाला किसने हो तुझे पता है no basically that I don't know यार किसने मुझे निकाला है that I don't know basically but I have basically came out from this hospital basically that I know basically from who basically taken me out that basically I don't know basically. So one of the person told that basically yaar the people who basically taken you out that big group only basically is going to kill you basically. That is the rule basically of the universe basically. So one of the person told that that means the hospital basically which has given you birth basically that hospital is going to kill you basically and that area basically is going to kill basically you. So that this is that area basically. See, basically, this is that area. Basically. Just taking as an example, really, basically, they have not killed me. So we will say a few videos also basically of this area. See, basically, Jarjati Imarat. But there is no Dandiya Bazaar. Just I will take one idea. Dandiya Bazaar, Piramal Hospital. See, basically, this is the Piramal Hospital basically. We are seeing Piramal Hospital and basically it's see basically what are they? Dandiya Bazaar. Dandiya Bazaar. But here basically there is no video basically. So assume that basically there is no video is not there basically. So then also we will see few photos basically whether exist or not basically. Here also Piramal Hospital basically. Dr. Anita Arti Piramal. Because there is some Arti Piramal is there. See basically. See basically. This also see. See basically. So this is actually about Piramal Hospital. So one of the person told that basically this all story basically we saw basically then one of the person told yes we saw where then that story basically now basically one of the person told that sand basically is going to create according to the set of story and sand which is not going to be taken this sand basically is not going to take that story basically which basically the management group has told that basically we are not going to take that story basically. So for that basically if anybody forcefully for example Sunil R. Nair basically into the software industry and the Microsoft told that basically sorry Sunil you have to exit from Microsoft industry so you just leave basically. If Sunil R. Nair is not leaving then basically which kind of management plan basically this group basically do that we have basically saw. So in that basically up to what level this group basically can go that also we have saw basically. So one of the person told that for this basically up to what level this group basically can do basically. Then he told that basically depends upon the power basically this group basically have basically that is the software industry basically. Then he told that yes basically yes that is also correct basically. So like this basically story basically is connected. So one of the person told that yes here basically the sand basically creation is very tough basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the sand creation.